Let us start tense. It is form of verb or series of verb forms which relates it with time. It is broadly divided into three groups: present, past and future. This present is further divided into four. This also in four, this also in four. First one is simple present or present indefinite. Second is present continuous or continuous progressive. Present perfect, and last present perfect continuous. Similarly, this past is further divided into simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. This future into simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Let us start with simple present. The structure of this sentence is, this tense is subject plus B1, S or ES, then object. Suppose, and what is this SES? And this what is V1? Let us see the different verb forms here: V1, V2, V3, V4. Go, went, gone, going. Eat, ate, eaten, eating. Drive, drove, driven, driving. This is present, past, past participle. This is ing form, and we can take one form also, V5, that is V1 plus SES. जैसे go becomes goes here, eat becomes eat here, eats here, drive becomes drives. Similarly, if we write here write, it will become wrote, it will become written. Here, sorry, it is driving, driving. This is writing, writing, and here it will become, if we add s or es to it, it become writes, writes, and so on. We will use this form or this form of verb. This ses form is used with third person singular. What is third person singular? That's the form of the verb that we have taken here: goes, eats, drives, writes. Third person singular means he, she, its, or it may be used with any one person, name of one person. Suppose we take Ram, Shyam, one animal, they like dog, if we write cow here, etc. This V1 is used with I, you, we, they, or any plural form of noun. Let us start with simple present and write different sentences here. Suppose we want to write Ram, then we will eats. Ram eats mango. If we take I write a letter. He drives car, and so on. Ram eats mango. I write a letter. He drives car, and so on. This type of sentences come in this. If we want to write negative of these sentences, then we use do not or does not. Again, does not is used where we use s and es or es. Do not is used where we simply use V1. Suppose, let us see these examples here. We have written Ram eats mango. Then here we have used s. In negative form it will become does not. Here we will write do not. Here we will write does not. The sentence will become Ram does not eat mango. I do not write a letter. He does not drive car, and so on. If we want to write interrogative, then do, does not or do not will come here. If you want to change this Ram eats mango into interrogative, it will become does Ram eat mango. We can also write it as does Ram not eat mango. Next sentence, I write a letter, it will become do I write a letter. Question mark. He drives a car. Does he drive a car? And so on. Now I have written positive, negative and interrogative forms of simple present. Now the question for practice is to write 10 sentences, positive sentences of this, then convert them into negative and then into interrogative.